guys, so today we are unbagging my July Ipsy bag. So Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription. If you don't already know, you get about 5 different little items to try out for the month. This month's bag is a blue, like, is that chiffon? I don't know what that is, like a rainbowy type of bag looking. Let's go ahead and see what I got in the bag this month. All right, my bag's actually really heavy this month, so I'm pretty excited to see what I got. All right, so the first thing I got is a sweet pineapple and honey melon herbal body moisturizer, and it says hydrating and refreshing from Himps. I have not tried this. Oh, that smells really, really pretty. I actually have like a body wash texture from them, and it's really nice. And I was looking at buying some of their hand creams and stuff, so I'm actually really excited to get this. This is actually a 2.25 fluid ounces, so it's an actually good size trial of this. So I'm really excited to get this, and it smells really, really good. All right, next I have is a Simbamed liquid face and body wash for sensitive skin, 100% soap and alkali free. So it's soap and alkali free. Supports skin's natural barrier, dermalogic tested and recommended. So it says pH 5.5. I don't know what any of that is, so that's really interesting. It's a body soap, I guess. It doesn't have much of a smell. It just pretty much smells like soap, but really clean. Let me just go ahead and hold that a little bit closer so you guys can see what that is here. Let me know if you guys have tried this at all, because I don't know exactly what this is. I've never heard of the brand. I'm getting 1.69 fluid ounces of this. And it says, moisturize skin, lather, small amount into hands, apply to face and body, and rinse. So I would use this for my body. I don't know so much that I would use it for my face, but I'll give this a try and see how that works. I have really sensitive skin, so things sometimes work and things sometimes don't. All right, next I've got a Sunday. I think this is another nail polish. It looks like a nail polish here. It looks like this in the box. I get a lot of these in my Ipsy bag here. And it is blue. Here we go. So I already tried their formula out. I like their formula. I've had a couple of their different nail polishes in my Ipsy, so this is really exciting to get. I like the color blue, so I'll definitely be using that for the summer. And then, what else do I have in here? I got one more thing in here, and it is a eyeshadow from Orfra, and it is the color, it just says use in a palette. I don't think it's giving me a color. Let's see if I can get it out of here and see if maybe there's a color stamped on the back. It's actually a pretty big pan, but it's not giving me a color there. So let me just go ahead and swatch it real quick. It's like a black with, it looks like it has glitter particles in it. And it's not really a black at all. It's kind of a gray. So that's what that looks like. Here's what it looks like in the pan. So this would be really good for maybe like under eye lining or smudging on the side of your eye, but it's not like a really deep color to black at all. So that's very interesting. It's always interesting to see what these colors turn out to be, especially if they look pretty deep in the pan, but when you rub them on, and they're not. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like kind of smudge it around and see. Yeah, it's not very pigmented at all. So that was the last thing I got in my Ipsy bag for the month. Oh no, I actually got one more thing in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 items this month. So I got a Sugar. It's from Sugar, and it is a eyeliner. It looks like it says Stroke of Genius, a heavy duty coral, heavy duty liner, and the number green lights. So let's see here. I'm just gonna. Ooh, that's super creamy. That's a pretty color. That's a really pretty color. I'll definitely be using that. So I got 6 items this month. Very interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6. So I got an eyeliner as well. So there's not much information in the bag this month, but I do like the eyeliner. I'm excited about the lotion. I'm curious about the body and face wash. I like the polish that I got, and I will see about the eyeshadow. But that was everything I got in my bag this month. Let me know what you guys got in your bag. I've been watching people's unbagging, so I know what most people that I've subscribed to have already gotten. But if you got anything different and I haven't seen your video yet, let me know what you got in your bag. And I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.